How to install WordPress in XAMPP in Mac 2018. Step 1. Go to apacheFriends.org or click below description area for the link or XAMPP. Download latest version of XAMPP and install it. Here I already downloaded. Double-click on download file of XAMPP file. Drag and drop in the application area. Go to the application. Open the XAMPP. Press the Open button. Step 2. Press the Start button. Wait for a few seconds for XAMPP start. When the green appears, XAMPP starts. Go to Services and press the Start All button, for starting all database Apache, MySQL, Pro FTPD. Go to Network, press Enable bottom. Go to Volumes, press Mount bottom. Step 3. Go to your browser and search WordPress for download. Press the Get WordPress bottom. Right-click and show in Finder. Copy all folder. Step 4. Now make a database first. Go to XAMPP and check your port. Here is my XAMPP port is localhost: 8080. Enter the localhost: 8080/phpMyAdmin. Press the database option. Give the new name for the new database. And press the Create button. Go to Privileges option. Add a new user account. Give username, password and press Check All bottom. And press the Go bottom. Setup 5. Go to WordPress file and copy all file. Go to XAMPP. Go to Volumes. Open the doc file. And make a new folder and give name. Also make another folder, give public_HTML and paste all WordPress file. Step 6. Go to your browser and type local link. Here is my link is localhost:8080/test/public_HTML. Give the database name. Username. Password which you create a database in phpMyAdmin. Here I forget my database and password, so I am going to make a new database which name is test2. Here I have some problem. wp_config.php file can't write, so I am going to create wp-config.php file manually. Go to XAMPP and go to volume. Press the express bottom. Go to doc file. Open your setup folder. Open wp-config simple.php file with your code editor software. Copy all the code and make new file and paste all file and give the name wp-config.php. Set up your database name. Username and password. Here my all information is test2. And save it. Step 7. Again enter your local link. Here my link is localhost:8080/test/public_HTML. Let's set up your website name, username, password, and email address.